everyone and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing good, and today I'm sharing a recipe of Palak Paneer. And for that, first I'm going to pan fry the paneer. So I took this pan and I add some oil, and then I'll pan fry the paneer. I cut the paneer in the cube. You can cut in any shape you want, and I will cook the paneer until it turned golden brown, and then I will keep it aside. And on the other hand, I'm taking this pan and I add oil, and I put some cumin seed, around half teaspoon of cumin seed, and a couple of cloves and black pepper. And then I will add finely chopped onions, and I took 2 big onions, and I will cook the onion until it turns golden brown. So when onion turns golden brown, then add fresh garlic and cook the garlic with onion for around 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, add spices. Add salt per taste. I'm taking 1 spoon of salt, 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon of red crushed pepper, and then 2 spoons of dhania zeera powder. This dhania zeera powder is freshly grated. And then 2 spoons of haldi, means turmeric, and 1 spoon of paprika, or you can take the Kashmiri chili powder. And then I will mix it well and cook these spices for around 1 to 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, I will add tomatoes and mix well the tomatoes and cook until it gets softened or release the water. And when you see the tomatoes are well cooked, then add green chili and cook for another 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes of cooking green chili with the tomatoes and spices, now we have to add spinach. I'm taking 2 kinds of spinach. I have cut the half bunch like like in small pieces like this, and I took the half bunch like I have make a puree of the spinach. So you can take all spinach in a puree form, or you can just cut in the like the spinach, but I'm taking half and half, so that will that brings a really good result. So after adding the both spinach, I'm going to mix it well and cook this spinach for around 18 to 20 minutes on medium to low flame. So let's cook for 20 minutes on medium to low flame. After 20 minutes, I'm going to add paneer, which we already pan fry earlier. So I'll put the paneer in the spinach, in the palak, and I will mix it well and cook for around 10 minutes on medium to low flame, so the paneer can cook well with the palak. And then after 10 minutes, I'm going to add the whipped cream. This is heavy whipped cream. You can take half and half. I'm using the heavy whipped cream, around half cup. And then stir well and add 2 spoons of kasoori methi. And at the end, cook palak paneer for 7 to 8 minutes on low flame, or until the oil gets separated, and then it's ready to serve. I hope you all like this recipe, and if you have any question, do let me know by comments below, and thank you so very much for watching.